Sharice, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I braid my hair underneath my wigs. Now, I have several videos like this where I'm showing you exactly like how to do this, how to braid your hair underneath your wigs, how to braid your hair nice and flat. I have videos with my hair braided very tiny, but I wanted to go ahead and do an updated video because I've been braiding my hair a little bit larger. So today in this video, that's what I'm going to be doing. You guys know I just braided my hair going straight to the back, so there's no special braiding pattern that I usually use. It's just straight to the back. It's easier. It allows you to be able to part anywhere you want, so that's kind of why I just braid straight to the back. So, oh, by the way, thank you guys, because my orders for the custom wigs have been ridiculous. So that's why I haven't been posting as much videos, because I've just been trying to get orders out on time. So that's kind of what's been my hold up as far as videos. But I'm not even sure if my lines are straight back here, so I'm gonna pray that they are, because I hate jagged lines. I always connect my braids once I get to the back, because well, it just makes it easier to flip up when you do have your wig on. Another very important fun fact, well, tip, is I get so anal about having a straight middle part. So it's so important for you to like measure out your braids evenly so that you know you're gonna have a straight middle part. So what you can do is go ahead and start parting that line down the middle. Sometimes what happens is you'll like keep braiding and have it braided in the middle, and you don't want that. So just braid straight to, already put your part there. Okay, my arms are freaking burning. Another thing is I try to have the skinniest braids be at the top and like the larger ones on the side, because if you're gonna do a middle part, you want it to fall nice and flat. Like, you shouldn't have big braids up here. You should have small braids up here and then smaller, and then gradually go into bigger. That's how I usually do my braids, or I just do them all skinny. But today we're doing them big. So now I'm gonna go in with my natural castor oil, and I'm gonna use this on my edges and on my scalp just to kind of get my juices flowing. I'm on this whole health growth journey, so I'll have the link for this item down below. But today we're working with my first wig, and I am wearing the bob. Now the great thing about my first wig, and I guess the name kind of explains it and it's self-explanatory, is it's really for beginners. So if you see right here by the ears, by the hairline, it's already kind of like mapped out for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut the lace off, kind of mimicking my hairline, mimicking the hairline that they already gave me as well. So it matches up perfectly though from ear to ear. By the way, guys, if you hear anything in the background, it's the water. The lawn's being watered right now, so it's hitting the window. Anyways, back to the video. So I'm just cutting the lace, but I'm following the hairline. There's no special thing to this, no special kind of tactic. I am putting hairspray on the hair because the baby hairs were like pushing forward and I needed them to be out the way so I don't cut them. But it looks really good, guys. It looks really amazing. I didn't pluck the hairline. I didn't do nothing. This is directly out of the box. Now, the only thing that I did do, because I have like this weird theory where I have to wash my hair before I put it on my head. I just have to. I don't want anything in my head. So I usually wash it before I put it on my head. So this is how the wig looks. I love that you can part it anywhere. It looks very, very, very natural. Guys, I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't pluck. I didn't anything. Literally, this is how it looks after you cut the lace off. So it's really designed to be, if you don't know how to do wigs and it's really your first wig, life should be so much more easy for you. This is all you have to do and that's it. So I loved it. The hair felt very lively and it felt very great. Like, sometimes people put too much hair in their wigs and it's too full, which I will explain towards the end. This is how it looks. It looks freaking fab, and I'm just gonna put it on my head. You guys see me. Alright, so I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm probably gonna be using the viewfinder to kind of direct me. So. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna do baby hairs, so don't kill me. I'm gonna put baby hairs down. I'm just not a fan of it the way it looks. Like, I'm not really in love right now with what's going on. So typical person, this is perfect. To me, but the part looks really good up close though. So if you're wondering how it looks, like I said, you don't have to do that whole, you don't have to do what I'm telling you to do. You really don't have to. I just want to because I'm just a little extra. But you don't have to. It looks like real hair. What I like about this wig is it feels like real hair. Like, it's thin, not thin. It's natural. It's not too thick. Sometimes wigs are way too thick and they don't look natural when they're bob. So I'm really trying to do this tutorial without using gel. That's the goal, but I feel like I really want to use gel. All right, guys, I didn't put any gel. I walked away from the camera and I came back, and literally this little piece right here, I just took it and I just combed it over because something was just looking weird to me. So, I don't know what the hell's up with me and this little like fake widow's peak. I don't ever have one, but it makes me feel a little bit better. So, well, don't stick down like that. Sometimes when it's just like, when the lace just hits directly right here onto the skin, it does something to me. Very few lace fronts can hit the skin without baby hair and it looks amazing. And some, I just be like, nah, that's not gonna work for me. Yeah, but I really like it. Honestly, I have no gel on this, to be honest. Like, this is like, I mean, this is really glueless. For the most part, it feels really good. I have my adjustable bands on. Now, if you don't know how to put your adjustable band on and you're like, okay, well, how do you put it on for beginners? I do have a very detailed video showing you guys how to put on your elastic band on your head for beginners, okay? It's super detailed. So check that out down below. I will have the link. And then if you're not sure how to cut the lace off of your lace front, because this video, I kind of just followed the hairline. But if you want an even more detailed video, I do have a video for that as well. And I'll have the link for that down below. So it's you guys can go check those out. But I really love the look. Like, I've had a lot of people ask me, is this my real hair? And I'm like, are you joking? Seriously, are you joking? Really impressed with this wig. This is my first time using my first wig. So highly impressed. I do have a shirt on, guys. If you think I'm naked, I'm not. shirt. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. So the link will be down below for everything, and I'll see you guys in my next video.